there, guys. I meant intro music. I hope you like that. I hope you heard it actually. And that's the intro music. Okay, that's extra. Hello there, guys. Today we're going to be playing Revenge of the Slimes. Oops, wrong. Revenge on the Slimes. Basically, it was created so we could enjoy the game while it was created. Oh, that's pretty old. For those who never tried, yeah, maybe not, but I'm just gonna play it. And of course, loading screen, boringness, so. Hey there guys, back here. And 2 minutes to build. What are we doing? Okay. What does this tool do? Oh, it deletes. Oh, okay. I thought it would build. Oh wait, so obvious. I have a bow, maybe I shoot stuff with it. And part. Just a part. Also, I used to play this when I was young, but I forget everything. Parts. Yeah, I wish I could. How's he doing that? I forgot some of the gameplay things. Right too! I just clicked the plus button. Oh! So that's how you get new stuff, but I'm trying to build a part. Do I just click this? What do I do? I want to build something. Do I click to classic? What? To original. What do I do? Do I just click this? I'm so confused. I'll just pick one of the wall. Yeah. Let's hold. What do I do? It's probably bugged or something because I can't place a thing. As you can see, I have some power-ups because I used to play this. So don't be triggered that I have upgrades and this isn't the first time I played it. Move! I'm just gonna let that shoot. Shoot! Oh! Times they absorb everything. They might absorb me. I think. What's that do? Does that make the arrows on fire? Okay, I'll try it. Oh, yeah, that does. Get out of town! This ain't yours. This is ours. I wonder where they end up. Oh, they just. So is our goal just to survive? But that's time. Just eat me alive. You're gonna get oofed. You're gonna oof. 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 That guy is destroyed. I hope. Go re. Oh, I don't even think it's possible for us to survive unless if we went on there. Also, what's that one do? Do I just is it purpose to get set on fear? That's a funny way to say fire, okay? Not fear as in scared. Pop these guys. These. No! Can I just pop the small ones? Diddly boom. Yeah, this actually survives. This is the only thing that live. Really? No one. Everyone just boom. I really don't understand. How do you build? How do you build? I'm just gonna make a wall like this. What? I don't get it. Do I? Let me see. Do I just click the screen? I do. How did that not work to the first? I'm so confused. Well, let's just go build stuff. Away walls. I'm gonna make a hut. Hut, 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 hut. There's the king's throne in my hut, 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 hut. I like saying hut, 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 hut. Oh yeah, I clicked this. Oh, it's gonna take some time. It's a hut. It's big. Of course it's gonna take years, bruh. Oh, that sucks. Years, really? I click that. Oh, sure. Quick, quick, keep building or else we're gonna poof the slimes. I don't know how that works, but okay. I think we get absorbed by them. Ew. What? Am I not canon enough? Oh well. That wasn't a joke. I actually said that, but it wasn't really a dad joke. I'm not even an adult. I'm like, I don't know. I I really don't know. How does Uno not know his age? I'm just gonna spam here. Maybe that'll help. Go 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 go! I spammed as much as possible for the remaining time. Basically, this is just disconnected. I have disconnected from the server. I really don't know what these buttons do. These buttons do. Oh wow, I just wasted a bullet. I don't think these will reach, so run for your life! Oh, let me in! Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! Get up! Wake up! Go, go, go! Shoot that one! I set 2, 3 on fire. Okay, I guess they're gonna burn. Oh! I don't wanna move! I wanna be alive! No, the Grim Reaper won't touch me! Can't touch me there! This is my no square! Literally. See, my no square. No, that's a rectangle. Save me! Someone save me, please! I do not want to. Oof. No, please! I think I'm safe. These marbles do well. These. Nice! I think I could jump. I don't want to lose any. Yeah! Why did I just make myself sound like a goat? I guess I just wanna. I sound weird. And I'll just let that burn. Um. Oh. Bleh. I guess this is what I get for sounding like a goat. Someone help, please. I'm stuck. Okay, thanks. Anyways, I'm the only one who survived. Should I say the same round? No. I said no. Oh, okay, now. Spike wall, yes. This will help. This, this will help. Aren't you building? Why aren't you building yourself? I'll just make a part. I shall now build here. Build. Build as much as I can. Why is 2 minutes so short? Why is 2 minutes so short? And why did these guys actually make walls like really good places? Like, really? That kind of makes sense. Who would waste it? Who would waste their time on building these walls and make them out of cubes like that guy? I'm just making my best. Yeah, I think this is good. Anyways, don't laugh. Wait, who would laugh? Also, I'm trying not to sing something. It's just so catchy. I don't want to sing it. Cause copyright, why YouTube, why? I kind of know why they're doing copyright, why copyright strike exists. But I just I can't stop my feeling. What do I do for the last? Just make a hole. Hall of Fame. Boom. Beautiful. Just do whatever you can. Try to make the poisonous crossbow hit the slimes. Shoot and run! Run, boy! Run! Snipe. Go, 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 go! Gotta go fast. Like, I actually never said the character's name. I just the character. I just said what he says usually. Gotta go fat. Gotta go fat. Ah, Ooh, not me, not me. I am not free food. You are. You are. Oof, 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 oof. Why is this shaking so much? Bro, how do I... Haha, he's gone. Bruh. Why, bruh? Aliens. Hey, oh, snap that one. He was my target. I'm gonna snipe that one from afar just in case. Disgusting! Disgusting! A disgusting alien! Okay, it's not disgusting, cause like, come on, it's just a circle. How is it still floating? Like, there's nothing supporting it. Is that seriously supporting this? Yes, it was! What? How? How? Just tell me, where's the logic? Did the logic just get oofed? There's like that one slime. I'm gonna snipe him. I'm gonna snipe him again. Snipe him again. I'm gonna 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 snipe him again. Oh, come on, man! Snipe him again. Nice. I hope I don't said something copyright. It's nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy.